Bangers and mash. Nice, man. Nice. Going on my phone / lurker mode. No worries, man. Enjoy your lurk. Use multiple. Why not? 18 insight. Holy crap. Not bad.
Good hunter. What is it you do?
Yep, let's channel these echoes. One on string. Alrighty. Actually, yeah, let's get that HP up a bit more. Now, I picked up some new big runes, but boost max stamina. Oh yeah. Boost max HP. Yep. More echoes. Done. Not too bad, not too bad. Fortify a weapon. Nah, not yet. At what point does your insight affect the game? I have no idea. Hi from phone. How's it going? I literally have no idea. Repair. I think it's like 20 or 50. I know at 71 it's a lot, but apart from that, I'm not all 100% on that. Okay, that one. "20 changes attacks, 40 shows spider bee stings." Really? Holy crap. $95 for blunt? Yeah. Amygdala things at 40 insight before ROM. What the hell? Nah, I ain't messing with that. No chance, I ain't messing with that. Slow poison effect. Nah. Yeah, I ain't messing with or amygdala things. Amygdala or amygdala. I can't remember what the name is. I ain't messing with that. Nothing? Oh man. Okay. Yep, alright, let's go. Oh crap, where was I? No. Forbidden Woods. I wonder if I can remember my way back. Holy crap. I think I've already forgotten. Oh damn. I forgot to say I seen you kill amygdala first try in the highlight. Yeah, that was my first try. It was quite interesting. And thanks for watching the highlight. Not the easiest boss. I had no idea what it did, like what it was gonna do. Its skill set sort of thing. But no, it kind of worked out to my advantage. Okay. Now let's see if I can remember where to go. I'm gonna kind of skip mostly as much as I can to get to the boss. Kill your buddies. Yeah, with them visceral attacks. Oh, okay. Yeah, I really suck at visceral attacks. I'm super bad at it. I think it's this way. No. Plus ham and unmashed spuds. Fair enough. Yeah, here we go. No, back out and up around here. Jeez, I better kill these 3 first go. I did. I've killed him first go in New Game Plus, New Game, and 2 other playthroughs, so I should be able to beat him one shot. Gotta kill the one with the sword first, then the one with the flamethrower and the sword, and then kill the spellcaster. While kiting everything around the pillar away from the spellcaster, because he hits really hard. Bolt paper I think is good for these guys, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I didn't use that thingy to get the thing. Where's the thing for the thing? There we go. Gold blood gem. Damn. How the hell did I just sit down? Okay, fair enough. Alright, let's go. Oh! Oh, damn. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Holy crap. Got a bit too close to the flamethrower. Oh my god. No, you're not gonna combo me. Holy crap. No, oh my god. Holy crap. Oh crap, I lost target of him. Damn, he hits hard when he's buff like that with the snakes. Wow, how long does that sword reach for? Just die, come on. Whoa, that reach is ridiculous. Okay, that's one down. Ouch. Okay, that's nearly 2. Calm down. Don't get too greedy. Oh! If only I could have gotten him stuck in there the first time playing against him. Holy crap, that would have been GO.
Game over.
Absolute GO. Get him! Nice. You ain't gonna summon those snakes. No, you're not. No, no. Oh, okay, that's just the firestorm. Jump and attack. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hand gives me heartburn. Really? 3 kings lol. Damn. I did it. Oops, okay. That was not too bad. No. I always forget if there's items around here or not. Nah. Quite easy for Sempi. Yeah. It's mainly got to do with, you know, Dark Souls 1 and 2. You know, after Dark Souls 3, if it is the last game of the series, they should bring out a Dragon Souls. I reckon that'd be pretty cool. Oh, I'm up to ROM. Really? That didn't go too badly? Yeah, I know. Dragon Souls would be a cool game if it was real. I'm saying Wizmail, after Dark Souls 3, if it is the last of the Souls series, they should make a Dragon Souls. That would be nice. Cool. I thought you were gonna be like, you're such a scrub. Yeah. I reckon it'd be pretty cool. And like most of the enemies are dragons. That'd be pretty sick. How did I hit him as well? Oh, I'm not looking forward to fighting this hunter. Holy crap. And Rom. Oh, Rom's gonna suck. I hate Rom. Oh, the brain sucker. No, you're not gonna stun me. Yeah, that's totally gonna fail. Oh, he got me! Yeah, right, failed my butthole. Damn, that damage. Please let me eat. Let me drink a vial. Hello, and you're dead. If I can do ROM, so can you. Yeah, it's not so much ROM, it's the hunter before ROM. Holy shit, is that a hard hunter? She hits like a mother. It's the damage is real. And I don't like these trees that shoot the what do you call it? The plasma grenades. I have no idea. Oh crap. That damage is just unreal. Just use Blades of Mercy. The quick hit stun her. Really? I don't think I have Blades of Mercy. Whoa. Oh crap, I forgot that it was 2 of them. Okay, why aren't I doing damage to it? What the hell? Now that's a bit of damage. There we go. Okay, it just boxed me into the wall. What the hell?